Hello, my name is Enrique. Welcome to my neighborhood. My fish favorite place is the pond. It's clean and beautiful. I like to walk and relax. Then my second favorite place is the supermarket. It's near my house. I buy food and often cleans down. My pension favorite place is a bakery. Uh, then bread is fresh and delicious. I like to go there with my family. I like my neighborhood. It is here safe and friendly. Thank you.